Magandang umaga kapatid. Dr. Kamin sa Church Service. Let us go and explore the current situation that our country is facing. We are anticipating by September 23, 2025 ay mabigyan na rin ang final decision kung si FPRRD will finally proceed to being tried or will he be released for good, absence of proof beyond reasonable doubt to proceed with the trial. Second is what will happen pending the Supreme Court not issuing yet the decision as regards the PhilHealth, as regards the 2025 insertion, and what are the impediments that these cases are yet to be decided. Ano po ba ang inaantay? Nandyan din po ang multifarious allegations of ghost projects, and we are right now only unearthing the flood control, and how about the projects of schools allegedly taken from the DepEd's fund. How about the continued trillions and trillions of ballooning debts and loans from both domestic and international entities? So, if you are the leader of this country, what will you do to reverse the distrust of the kingdom? So, ano po ba ang consequences ng incompetence, ignorance, lying of whatever education meron ka talaga? So, ang failure po ay nakaharap na sa'yo pero hindi mo pa rin na a-achieve yung goals mo because you cannot see the mistakes and errors, and it is piling up, which can lead to financial losses, wasted time, and loss of trust or erosion of trust from your constituents or your adherents. Ang dami pong sayang na I was talking with my amigas lately, and one of whom is a contractor, a big contractor. And she really said, wala nang parang makikitang solution sa corruption na to because those politicians are downloading to the DPWH the directives that during the bids and awards, only those who can give a percentage of that fund will be given the project. Nakakalungkot po and then the lady told me na hindi pobre ang Pilipinas. Kasi sa bilyong-bilyong mga pera na yan, paanong nakakakuha tayo ng utang at nababaon tayo sa utang at nakakabili ng mga high-end na mga sasakyan itong mga contractors na to at the expense and blood of the farmers, the fisher folks na hand-to-mouth existence lang talaga. At itong mga senator na gustong magpapogi, gustong gumawa pa ng independent commission, na first day pa lang po ang anti-corruption commission na ginawa ni President Duterte, kauna-unahang araw na pag-assume ni Marcos Jr. ay tinanggal po niya ang anti-corruption. And then, magre-create siya ulit at ilalagay ba si Torre sa commission na yon in order to appease the person being shamed, not even being given the kind of turnover na proseso sa isang naging hepe, the shortest of which is 85 days from assumption of office. So kung gustong i-reverse ng isang emperor ang isang kingdom, sana likened to it, ma-fix pa niya ang mga ito in 28-month time. Meron pa kayang panahon to reverse it. The societal implications of which is the perpetuation of cycles of poverty, inequality, social injustice, and the exacerbation of existing social and economic disparities. How can you break these cycles? How can you recognize the consequences of the lack of performance with the blind loyalist still claiming that you are magnificently doing good even if not? Siguro kailangan ng introspection dyan. At wala na eh. I remember during which time that Senator Cayetano was running for the vice president, at which he told the then running person against him that he said, paano ka ba mag-govern ng isang bansa na kahit nga college diploma ay wala ka, at ito ay ginagawa mo pang kasinungalingan na meron ka. Thank you for listening. We can only pray. Yun na lang po ang ating magagawa as isang Pilipino. And I have already, I hope Senator Marcoleta will really implement multi-pronged solutions. At sana ang mga judicial system din natin ay tumalima na at bilisan din ang paggagawa ng decision, kasi magi-start na rin po ang budget call next month at ma-correct na ng Supreme Court ang mga proseso sa insertion ng 2025. At least, pag may jurisprudence na nagko-correct doon, mabilis na lang na gawin ng mga nasa baba kung anong dapat na interpretation sa proceed ng budget call at pag-sign ng GAA into law. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, and liking.